Hello, hi my dear second standard students. Welcome to the online classes of Kerala Public School. Well, this is me, Nisha Ajesh. I hope you all are doing well at home, isn't it? Okay, now let's study a little bit. Okay, today we are going to study social studies. Have you seen your social studies textbook? Okay, if not, I will show you the textbook. And this is your social studies textbook for the second standard students. Do you read the name? Truck Primary Social Studies. The name of the textbook is Truck Primary Social Studies. Okay, so this is the publication of Oxford University. Now, how many chapters are there? Let's see how many chapters are there in your textbook. Okay, here in the prefaces given, how many chapters are there? There are 11 chapters. I'll just read the names of the chapters first. Early humans, their lives, keeping our body healthy, my family, a good home, types of houses, our food, clothes we wear, places in the neighborhood, keeping our neighborhood clean, places of worship, people who help us. So these are the chapters of the second standard students for their SSC subject. Okay, now let us start with the first lesson. Okay, let's start the first chapter. Okay, हम लोग क्या करना है, फर्स्ट चैप्टर से शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. Listen very carefully and I will explain in the Hindi also. I hope you may not understand if I teach you all in English. So I will just give some of the verses in Hindi also. So be very careful, be attentive. Okay. Now, what is the name of the first chapter? The first chapter name is Early Humans, Their Lives. Okay. Who are early humans? Early humans का मीनिंग, what is the meaning of early humans? early humans का मतलब क्या है? early humans का मीनिंग है प्रारंभिक मानव. प्रारंभिक मानव, that means आदि मनुष्य. Okay, so early human means प्रारंभिक मानव and their life, उन लोग का जीवन. Okay, प्रारंभिक मनुष्य का जीवन कैसा था? Okay, now I think you all are living in this generation. I think that you have never thought of the old people, how do they live? How you have never thought of the ancient people or early humans. Okay, और आदि मनुष्य का बारे में आप लोग कभी सोचा नहीं होगा ना. So it was not this condition such as we live. यहाँ जो अभी हमारा जीवन जो रहा है ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं था आदि मनुष्य का. Okay, they are entirely different from our lives. हमारा जीवन से बहुत अलग था पुराना आदि मनुष्य का जीवन. Okay, so in your first chapter it is given about the early humans a little bit. Okay, little bit about it because you are very small children, so you can understand only little bit, isn't it? So when you go to the higher classes you can study in detail. So let's study a little. Okay, I'll just read the first and second paragraph for you. Listen very carefully. Early humans were people who lived many thousands of years ago. They lived in caves and forests and led a very simple life. They ate fruits and roots of the trees and hunted animals. Early humans did not know many things that we know or do today. They did not know how to grow food, cook food and build houses, but they could think and speak. Okay, आदि मनुष्य. What is the प्रारंभिक मानव? What is the meaning of प्रारंभिक मानव? The people who lived many thousands of years. Who are early human? People who lived many thousands of years ago are called early humans. बहुत साल हजारों सालों के पहले इस दुनिया में कुछ आदमी लोग था, उन लोग को हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रारंभिक मानव. ओके, सो दे डिड नॉट लिव सच एज, जैसा हम लोग का जीवन है ऐसा नहीं था उन लोग का जीवन. दे लिव इन, वेयर डू दे लिव, कहाँ रहता था? डू दे मेक होम? डू दे मेक बिग बिल्डिंग? No, they did not make very big building and houses at all. Okay, वो लोग बहुत बड़ा बड़ा घर बनाया क्या? नहीं बनाया है. So they lived in caves caves and forest. Caves मतलब गुफा में रहता थे. कहाँ रहते थे? गुफा में रहता थे. और forest means जंगल में रहता था. So where do the early human live? Early human lived in a caves and forest. गुफा में और जंगल में रहते थे. And they lived very simple life. उनका जीवन बहुत सिंपल था. So think हमारा see nowadays we are living in a very luxurious life, isn't it? We have good houses and we have good bags, good cycles, we have cars and we have so many facilities and we wear nice clothes, isn't it? You also wear nice clothes. When you come to the school, you go to the school, isn't it? We go to the school and we wear nice shoes, socks, uniforms, and we wear nice bag. We have umbrellas, isn't it? So many things we have. But in the life of the early humans, they did a very simple life and they lived in the caves and the forests. Okay, when they live in the caves and the forests, what would have they eat? They have eaten. What they would have eaten? वो लोग क्या खाया होगा? हमारा जैसे किचन है, खाना पकाया है, ये सब नहीं था, तब क्या खाया होगा? They have eaten the fruits and the root of the trees. क्या खाया था? Fruits, कच्चा fruits खाया था. Okay, they have eaten fruits and root of the plant. Some of the plant का root का खाए थे. And they hunted animal और animal जानवरों को शिकार करके भी खाया है. Okay, when they caught the animal, when they hunted the animal, they did not cook the meat. वो मीट को लोग पका के नहीं खाया है, कच्चा खाया है. Can we think situation like that? क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि ऐसा सिचुएशन? देखिए हम लोग खाली रोटी नहीं खा रहे हैं, चावल नहीं खा रहे हैं, सब्जी नहीं खा रहे हैं, दाल कुछ नहीं है. हम लोग क्या खाएंगे? फ्रूट खाएंगे, कुछ ट्रीज का, कुछ पेड़ों का रूट खाएंगे, जड़ खाएंगे, और क्या है, जानवरों को पकड़ के कच्चा खाएंगे, मांस खाएंगे बिना पका के. क्या अच्छा लग रहा है ना? तो लेकिन पुराना जमाना के आदमी का जीवन ऐसा था क्योंकि उन लोग को खाना बनाना नहीं आता था, कुकिंग करना नहीं आता था, और इन लोग का बहुत बड़ा बड़ा घर बनाना नहीं आता था, और उन लोग को क्या है और जो है कल्टीवेशन नहीं आता था. मीन्स they did not know how to grow food, and they did not know how to cook food, and they did not even know how to build the house, and they lived a very simple life, but they could think. और they could think and speak. वो सोच सकते थे और बात भी कर सकते थे. Do you understand me? आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? Early humans, who are early human? Early humans are the people who lived many thousands of years ago. बहुत हजारों साल पहले का लोग आते हैं, and they called early humans. So they lived in a caves and forests, and they ate fruits, roots of the tree, and hunted animals. And the next thing, invention of wheel. Invention meaning avishkar. Very carefully you have to listen the video, then only you can understand the meaning. Okay, invention of wheels. Invention means avishkar. Wheel means I think you know wheel, गाड़ी का wheel. We have wheels in the vehicles. We have wheel in the car, we have wheel in the autos, we have even wheel in the motorcycle, bicycle, everything. Okay, so wheels, invention of wheels. So wheels का आविष्कार. In early days there were no vehicle. पुराना जमाने में early days में क्या है? No vehicle, गाड़ियाँ नहीं था. सोचो कि जहाँ आजकल गाड़ी नहीं है तो कैसा रहेगा? If you want to go to Patna, how will you go? You need to walk up to Patna from here. यहाँ से पैदल चलकर जाना है. So olden days there were no vehicle, गाड़ियाँ नहीं था. And early humans used to walk from place to place. वो लोग कैसे एक जगह से दूसरा जगह गया? पैदल चलते गया है. Sometimes they will, if it is a very long distance, they did not have a particular destination. वो लोगों को ऐसा पटना जैसा बड़ा सिटी नहीं था और जाने के लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So they did not, they were not in need of so much of traveling also. But उसी समय क्या नहीं था? Vehicle नहीं था, गाड़ियाँ नहीं था. So they walk from place to place. Okay, people used to, so if they walk, okay, they walk, we can think. So if they wanted to carry some loads, कुछ वजन कुछ सामान लेकर जाना है तो how will they? So they carried on their back. Okay, they carry heavy loads themselves with the help of animals. Sometimes they carried on their back, पीठ में ऐसा पकड़ के गया है, and sometimes they used animals. On upon some animal they kept their heavy loads and they walk from one place to the other place. Okay, perhaps early human saw logs of woods rolling down a hill. This made them understand that a round object can easily be rolled on the ground. Okay, so that was a time going on and going on. ऐसे चलता था, उन लोगों जीवन ऐसे जा रहा था. So one day when they were walking, when they were in the forest, वो लोग क्या देखा है? They have seen some of the wooden logs. Wooden logs means लकड़ी का log. जो हम लोग आजकल आग जलाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो लाइक दिस लकड़ी का लोग देखा है. एंड इट वाज रोलिंग फ्रॉम द हिल. दैट मीन्स इट वाज रोलिंग ए हिल से, बहुत बड़ा हिल, पहाड़ से और बहुत बड़ा पर्वत से रोलिंग करके घूमते 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 नीचे आ रहा था. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इफ दिस इज अ चॉक पीस. ओके, दिस इज अ रोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट, इजंट इट? रोल्ड वस्तु है ये, रोल्ड घुमा हुआ वस्तु है. इसको हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ रखा है तो क्या होगा? ये वहां से रोलिंग करके नीचे आएगा. यहाँ रखकर हाथ निकालेगा तो क्या होगा? ये रोलिंग करके नीचे आएगा. सो पुराना old people have seen that some of the wooden logs are rolling from the hill. Okay, they have seen that some wood are rolling from the hill. Okay, this made them to understand. They thought of that, and this made them understand that the rolling object can be rolled easily on the ground. So they understood that this rolling as घूमता हुआ वस्तु है, easily ground में चलता है. Okay, so it walked better than us. It may roll faster than us. इनको समझ में आया कि हमारे से ज़्यादा फास्ट में इन्हें चलेगा. Okay, then what did they do? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so early human started using logs of wood to send heavy things from place to place. At first, people placed a cart over the logs of wood and rolled them or pulled them. Later, they discovered that the logs could be into circular discs to make wheel. Then they placed cart over them. Okay, so then they used these logs to carry loads. Means they kept two logs and they one log and they kept a heavy load on that and they pulled it and they rolled it easily. एक लकड़ी का वुड का लॉग का ऊपर कुछ सामान रखे धक्का देगा तो लोगों को समझ गया है कि थोड़ा इजीली चलेगा. Okay, now from that they started to make cart मतलब आपको समझ में आया? Have you heard about bullock cart? बैलगाड़ी सुना होगा ना? I think some of you might be seen bullock cart and some of you may not. Okay, so this bullock cart such as they made so many cart with the animals and they carried their luggage from one place to another place. Okay, with the help of the wooden logs. Okay, so then they understood that this is in a circular shape. Circular shape means in a round shape. If we cut two in a round shape space. Okay, one you kept there, the other one you kept here. Okay, you made a vehicle. Okay, here you can see so many pictures are given here. In that pictures, see that this picture. They made the wooden logs as a wheel, and here also you can understand that बैलगाड़ी is also there, and such as they use wheels. Okay, for the first they use the wooden wheels in a circular shape and made a wheel. Okay, the wheel is changes were made later to wooden disc, and that is how we got the wheel we know. So that is how the olden people made the wheel. Nowadays we are also using the wheel. So that is how they have seen the wooden logs rolling down from the hill, and there they thought that the rolling object can be rolled easily on the ground, and they used as a cart in olden days, and then after they thought of making a small wheels, and that was the invention of wheel. From there, that was first. So first wheel is made up of wood. पहले जमाना, nowadays we are using wheels, but it's not a wooden wheels. आजकल हमारा गाड़ी में भी wheel है, लेकिन वो लकड़ी का नहीं है, isn't it? ओके, लेकिन पुराना जमाने का जो है व्हील था वो लकड़ी का था. लेकिन नवडेज आजकल भी आप लोग देखता होगा कि जो है ठेला का व्हील कभी कभी वुडन का होता है, लकड़ी का होता है. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट व्हील द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स मेड. ओके, द व्हील इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वेंशन ऑफ मैनकाइंड. ओके, सो द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वेंशन मतलब आविष्कार ऑफ मैनकाइंड, मानव का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, मानवता का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वेंशन जो है, आविष्कार जो है, क्या था? व्हील था. सो फ्रॉम दैट it led to the invention of many machines. So from there people started to invent so many things. So it was वहाँ से वो लोग समझ गए कि हम लोग ऐसा बहुत कुछ बना सकते हैं. Then after so many days people started to cook the food. They started to make fire. That you will learn in your higher classes. You can understand when you go to the higher classes. Okay, so this was this is your first chapter. I hope you all understood the first chapter. समझ गया ना सब लोग को? ओके, आई जस्ट रिकॉल ऑल व्हाट वी कवर्ड. फिर एक बार सारा पॉइंट्स बताएंगे. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. द लेसन वाज आर द ह्यूमंस देयर लाइव्स. क्या चैप्टर क्या था? पूरा आदि मनुष्य. आदि मनुष्य नहीं तो प्रारंभिक मानव और उनका जीवन. People who lived many thousands of years ago. Who are the human? People who lived many thousands of years ago. हजारों सालों का पहले इस पृथ्वी में कुछ मनुष्य था. उस मनुष्य को हम लोग बोलता है early humans, isn't it? So where do they live? They lived in the caves and the forest. गुफा में और जंगल में रहते थे. They lived a very simple life. And what did they eat? वो लोग क्या खाया है? They ate fruits of trees and hunted animal. वो लोग क्या खाया है? फल खाया है और पेड़ों का जड़ खाया है और शिकार करके जानवर को खाया है. And there were no vehicles. उसी समय गाड़ियाँ नहीं था. So why do they eat fruits and root of the animal? Because they do not know how to cook the food, how to grow the food, and they do not even know how to build the house. They do not have the houses also. Okay, so the most important invention of mankind is what? Wheel. Wheel is the most सबसे important, मानवता का सबसे important प्राथमिक important invention, आविष्कार क्या था? Wheel था. Okay, so it led to the invention of many things. So उसमें से बहुत सारे चीज हम लोगों को इन्वेंशन करने लगा है. Okay, I hope you understood all of this. This is your first chapter of social studies. Study well and do study all these main points at your form and study the words meaning which I have explained in your video. I hope you all will study. Take care, study well. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching me.